My guy, you know say my time don't go. And he get something where I no show that guy finish. Okay. I go like make you complete that for me. Show him.
Shaggy.
Sure.
No. I no fit show this guy that in this year.
Okay, show him this thing for me.
Me, get waiting me I want show him this year. See waiting I want show him this year. See him.
Shaggy Banza.
Nah. you get mind show this guy Shaggy finish last year. You still get mind they smoke, they drink. If I show him waiting dey my mind, if you even see cigar where they grand where they don't smoke finish, make I bend.
Jesus.
Don't worry, your time don't pass. Go. Make I take over.
I swear, this 2023. Now my year, Ajay.
If I beat you and finish today, that thing where they give you a man there, that person will want coin, will call her for me.
Okay, say, main call who you want call, Abi. Make we call who go call for you, Abi. We go call best now, they go scatter this on our house. Main just make one we ain't go make. Me and this my brother will go call best for now, they will scatter on our house. Now see am.
Call who you want call.
Okay, make him make call, Abi. Make my brother for you, make one call, Abi. We go make call, We go make call now, they go destroy. Now one call my brother go make, you go see. Me and this my brother, we go make call for you. Yeah. You so that call best now, call best, they go scatter on our house. He go make this call, just the see. You see now?
Oh, no.
My brother go just make one call, my brother go make one, just one like this. Go destroy you now. Who you want to call? I know they call anybody. What's this start they do for the number? I dey press my phone when they get inside the vehicle. I don't get anybody. My mother pastor. If my brother want to call last this year, we run.
Giving you love.
Bro, so what's the update?
What do you go?
She's on her way already.
What do you go?
But she's with her friends. Bro, but you know I'm broke now.
You know what to do now?
I got you, bro.
Hello, sir. What can I offer you?
But go kill you there.
Sorry, sir.
Jesus.
Superstar. The guy won't be superstar.
In the meantime, my bitch.
We are my friends.
Go and ask your grandfather.
What do you go?
Waiter! What do you have?
We have water cooler at 2,000 naira, very cheap.
Just water.
Just water.
Like you guys.
Don't worry. Just give me water.
Thank you, sir. This is plain.
What be this?
It's a cash or POS.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm not with my card. Baby, are you with your card?
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
I'm not with my card too.
I see your card while cleaning.
Bad to the bone. Bad to the bone.
Let go polish your papa.
Who's next? Informa. Date and time. February 14th.
Address.
Kingfishers, Ikoyi. I need the full squad.
Baby, what are you setting with?
Nobody.
Let me see.
Take.
Baby, Sandra. Baby, you're cheating.
You don't see the name for there now. Why are you distressing me?
Why did you not give me if you know you were cheating?
She really do best. Don't see what you do again. Oh yeah, now.
Who tell you that I no go do again? I go do. I forgive you. What are you saying?
I'm not being begged for forgiveness.
I forgive you. Have you sent her money?
Yes.
How much?
1.5.
For subscription, Abi. I forgive you too. Nothing will stop this Valentine.
I know they beg for forgiveness.
I say I forgive you. Take.
Wow.
Oh, I know.
Funny people.
God have mercy upon us.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
Always.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Chitini de club uvete vinagban uve gwale mienso. Ive la ke vina no we kan do uve gwale mienso. Iga veni ve gwa uvete mo mandane. Iga weni beko sapa me bukia. Oko kegbe osi wana gbe. Uve gwale junior uve gwale mienso. Oko kegbe osi wana gbe ogwale junior.
Babe, why don't you call me sweet names?
Okay, let me call you my lollipop,
Yes, baby.
my sugar, my tea.
Sugar in your tea, I'll be sugar in your Gary.
Oh.
When last did you drink tea?
Waiting be this one like this.
Hello, hi. I saw you guys sit down here. Where is she?
She went to use herself.
Who is she?
She's my babe. Why you asking?
Rasha, I like you. Like, my friends told me I cannot come talk to you.
Like me? How?
You're fine now. I understand.
You that are dressed like a guy, please.
Kill no problem. Sharp.
Wait, come and take my number now.
You don't see my big booty. Now you're interested.
Give me your number.
No, give me your number. Call her.
See you when I miss you.
Aye.
Sister, we are calling you. Sister, why are you doing this? Sister, hey! Jesus!
I'll be back by 11 o'clock. Abeko, help me tell the children to sleep and read their book. I love you. Oshakabarata Sakaba.
Waiting be this one like this.
God have mercy upon us.
Mama baby say oko ye.